Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'll give you a chance to practice using FANBOYS conjunctions. This video is part 2 about FANBOYS conjunctions. You can practice using them in this video. You can find the link to part 1 below if you want to learn about FANBOYS conjunctions. There are many example sentences in part 1. Let's get started. Here is the list of FANBOYS conjunctions. Now, I will show you a sentence that needs a conjunction. Can you figure out which FANBOYS conjunction it needs? The conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Here is the sentence. And remember, sometimes more than one answer is okay. There are many heavy books on the shelf. It still hasn't broken. I'll give you a few seconds to think about which FANBOYS word works in this sentence. Are you ready? I chose the word yet. It shows a difference from the first half of the sentence to the second half. But also, you could use the word but because they are very similar. All right, let's try number 2. Can you figure out which FANBOYS conjunction this sentence needs? She has too much work to do. I think she'll go home very late. Did you figure it out? The answer here is so. She has too much work to do. So tells you what happens next. Number 3. Playing sports is a great way to make friends. It keeps you healthy. The answer here is and. Both parts of this sentence are very similar. Good things about sports. You can connect them with and. Some turtles are slow on land. They're fast in the water. This time, the answer is but. Slow and fast show a difference from the first part to the second. But of course, you could also use the word yet because they're so similar. We can have pasta for dinner. We could pack a picnic and eat at the park. Did you figure it out? The answer is or. The answer is or because there's a choice. You could have pasta or a picnic. 1. We have no fruit at home. Do we have vegetables? This one was a little tricky, but you could look at the do we have vegetables question form there to figure out that the answer is nor. Do we have vegetables is the question form. Our picnic was cut short. It started to rain. This time, the answer is for. It works like the word because. It shows the reason why it was cut short. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you learned something.